So in this iPhone tutorial, I am going to show you how to change default calling to FaceTime audio on the iPhone. So once the settings app is opened up, I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says apps and select that. Then at the top where it says default apps, select that. And then a couple options down, it says email, messaging, calling, etc. Go ahead and select calling. Then on this page, you can choose the default calling app. So in this case, for me, it's set to cellular. Your SIM will be used to make and receive cellular calls. If you want to change this to audio, this will be your FaceTime audio. If you want to change the teams, you can. But in this case, if you want to switch it from cellular to audio, make sure that your audio is checked just like that. And then you're good to go. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change default calling to FaceTime audio on the iPhone. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.